Hi, and welcome to Triple Healing Speed Do-It-Yourself Protocol. And on the bottom of the page, you will find the protocol that I put together. And this protocol was taken out of my other program called Quantum Leap Holistic Healing. And the reason why I put this, I took it out and sharing it with you right here is because I found that for many people, just following the protocol I put together will speed up the healing process. So that's why I put this protocol together. Now, you may ask, why do you want to speed up your healing process? Why do you want to triple your healing speed? And I go into more detail with that later on in this video. So now, what I wanted to share something with you is that the number one myth about healing that I hear over and over again, and that is the myth that your body will heal itself. Now, the fact is that your body has the potential to heal itself when you supply your body with the right tools and create an optimal environment. And in this protocol, I share with you strategies on how to assist your body to triple its healing speed. So not only you're going to get strategies and tools to create the right environment for your body and give your body the right tools to heal itself, but also to speed up the healing process. I hear a lot of people talk about, the body can just heal itself. I don't need to take any vitamins. I don't need to take any supplements, or I don't need to do any cleansing. And the thing is, for the average person, without any type of intervention or giving the body the right tools, it will not heal itself. So a simple example I can give is, like, if you have poison inside your body, the average person will not be able to detoxify that poison. They will need to do some type of intervention to take out the poison. So the same with the healing for most people today. They need some type of intervention to help them heal, and then to speed up the healing is even more important today, because the other strategies of healing are not as effective anymore, and I get into that a little bit later. So you want to be able to speed up your healing. So I'm not sure if this protocol is for you, but the strategies I share with you in this protocol are tried, tested, and proven to work when applied properly. Now, in other videos, I go over the different strategies more detailed and why and how they work. So you want to check out those videos later on. Now, the question, why do you want to speed up your healing speed? And that is, in current times, we need healing strategies that cause exponential improvement and not linear improvements. And so a lot of strategies out there, they're more linear, that cause linear improvement. So the strategies, the cause of the strategies is, or the effect is, linear improvements. And today, because the negative effects that are causing your body to experience debilitating symptoms are actually also having exponential negative effects. So not exponential improvements, but exponential negative effects. So, and the reason for that is that you just have to look at all the different causes that are causing that. And so, for example, if you take a combination of different toxins that go into your body, the combination itself is far more dangerous than, let's say, if you just took one. So now the effects of the combination is also exponential. And then you combine that with emotional stuff, and it's another reason why it's even, because anytime there's an emotion attached to a health condition, that also has an exponential effect, but on the negative side. So you want to make sure that whatever strategy for healing is, that it has it causes an exponential improvement. And that's exactly what the Triple U Healing Speed is all about, is about applying strategies that will cause an exponential improvement, and thus is going to triple your healing speed. If you're on a program and you're doing it for a while and it's not getting better, that is because it's not causing an exponential effect. And what you want is cause an exponential effect. It's probably working more linearly. And in today's age, linear improvements or a strategy that will cause linear improvements actually not linear, is you going backwards. So that's why you want to see to make sure that whatever program you're following can cause an exponential improvements. Now, how would you feel if Triple U Healing Speed do-it-yourself protocol led you to no longer experience debilitating symptoms? How would your life be different? So if you saw this video somewhere else and not on this, you're not on the page where the protocol is, just go to tripleuhealingspeed.com and then you'll find the protocol right there under this video. And again, also check out the rest of the videos where I break down the details of each strategy and why and how they work and the benefits of implementing those strategies. Okay, I'll talk to you later.